Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a little wireless keyboard which is going to come in handy for like a Microsoft Surface or something like that. I'll show you guys what it comes with here, and let's show you guys what it looks like. So this is it here. Wow, that's really nice. It's super thin, but it's like aluminum back, you can see, and it's got this little on and off and connect button. Ooh, and it lights up when I turn it on. And let's see what we got here. We have our user manual, and it looks like it's going to connect through Bluetooth. So I'm just going to, for fun, try to connect it up to my iPad and see if it works here. Let's see if we can get it connected here. Settings and Bluetooth. So we will see if it connects up. Connect. So there, I pushed to connect, and we will see what happens here. See if it tries to connect. Let's see what it connects as. I'm not sure. Well, my laptop froze. My iPad froze up. I've got too many apps in this thing open. So let's see if we are connected now. Settings, Bluetooth. And it looks like it connected to something called OTBEAT. So let's see if that's what it is. So nope, still wants to connect. So I guess that wasn't it. I'm connected to somebody else's something here. Bluetooth 3.0 keyboard. That's what we want to connect to. So now I am connected to Bluetooth 3.0 keyboard. And here we go. So now if we look at this, here we can see as I type, it works. So there we go. So this is it. So this keyboard is now connected to my iPad. How cool is that? And it's a really nice keyboard, so that's going to be pretty good. So let me see if I want to type out. Yeah, it's got a really good feel to it. So I'm going to say this is a really nice little keyboard and super convenient and small, and I can just carry it around with this when I want to type something out. So I'm going to say it's good. So thumbs up for me.